Welcome, students, clients, friends, fellow seekers. Many have asked me why UCCHISHTA Ganapati. Why is he your Ishta Devata? The thing is that I see in UCCHISHTA Ganapati and UCCHISHTA Matangi the amalgamation of the cosmic, masculine, and feminine. And that elusive, mysterious energy revealed itself to me through UCCHISHTA Ganapati sadhana. And in a sense, more than me finding him, he found me. And he showed me his magic, and I began his Seva Puja. And it's been 2 decades plus, and I haven't looked back. Things have only gotten better for me. And I decided to take his vidya, his knowledge, his profound magical capabilities to you, so you can systematically learn Tantra, Mantra, Yantra and be completely benefited and recognize the 4 Purusharthas. UCCHISHTA Ganapati and UCCHISHTA Matangi give you the 4 Purusharthas. Calling him is very, very easy, even if you do not want to learn the whole puja vidhi. Even if you don't want to do anything, you can just do his mantra. And if you get the workshop done with me, you will get a puja, which will be like an activation of your chakras, as well as a connection to him will be established, because his mantra, which is him, mantra is deity in sound form, will be put on your 7 chakras. So you will always hold connection with UCCHISHTA Ganapati and UCCHISHTA Matangi. Now the magic of this form is that you are worshipping not only UCCHISHTA Ganapati but also UCCHISHTA Matangi. So many have asked me that, can we do Matangi sadhana? And then I tell them this, that Shakti sadhana, Shakti upasana is very difficult to augur and balance if you don't have Ganpati Anugraha, if you don't have Ganpati Siddhi. After that comes Bhairav. Like I told you that this is a syllabus and you have to go step by step. Anything you want to accomplish in life, it has to be a sustained effort. And why do we choose a guru? A guru is like GPS. It gives you, Guru gives you the ability to get to the place he's already or she's already been to. So it's easier for you to get there, right? And Guru is someone who's a living, breathing body of knowledge. Just like in this, I think in Tibet, you have this library where you can rent a person and they will tell you their story. And this is a human library. So, Guru is like a human text, scripture, a living, breathing, scriptural, representation. That's why only somebody who does Seva Puja and has Anugraha of UCCHISHTA Ganapati, only that person can work his magic for you. There are so many people spreading so much wrong information about UCCHISHTA Ganapati, saying UCCHISHTA Devata sadhanas are this, that, tamasic. It's completely bullshit. In fact, if your energy is extremely tamasic, then doing UCCHISHTA Ganapati sadhana and upasana will actually remove the tamas. So this is one thing that I wanted to emphasize, that if you are looking to embark on a spiritual path of Tantra, Mantra, Yantra, and you think that you will straight away, do Devi sadhana, you're wrong. You have to complete Ganesh sadhana, get Anugraha or Siddhi. Where Siddhi is difficult to get, Anugraha is much easier. And UCCHISHTA Ganapati, if you call him with all your heart and devotion, his Anugraha is very fast acting. So, this is why I suggest that the magic He has brought into my life, the miracles He's brought into my life, every single day I am overwhelmed with gratitude. And this is why I want to share this with you so all of you can benefit, so all of humanity can benefit. Uchishta Ganapati can be that triggering factor where you find that all-encompassing feeling of a connection to the unitary consciousness, the amalgamation of the masculine and the feminine. So Navratri is coming. Very interesting with Pitru Paksha. As you know that there are many malefic yogas formed. Pishach Yoga has formed. Of course, Angarki Yoga. And of course, we still have Guru Chandal. So with all of this and this being Pitru Paksha, and of course the eclipse portal is open now. And we've got the Mahalaya Paksha, and we've got the Amavasya on that very day, culminating with Pitru Paksha. Very, very special time. I'm offering special prayers to Pitrus. If you're interested to book such a puja, then you can drop me an email or text me on WhatsApp +917030258060. Email tina@tinahills.com. And if you don't have a sadhana fixed for Navratri, and you don't have Diksha, you don't have a system to go get ahead with this, then I truly suggest Uchishta Ganapati, Sadhana, Upasana, Seva, and complete surrender, and watch miracles flow in your life. This is so powerful, this Vidya. Watch the miracles just flow into your life, create abundance. You don't have to go around chasing it. You just have to perform the right action. And He also helps with the right action, the right decisions, because Ganpati activates the mind, reorders, restructures the monkey brain and the incessant cogitations, and connects you to the Manomaya Kosh. I told you that our physical body is just our Annamaya Kosh. After that, we have the Pranamaya Kosh, from which comes the breath. When you steady your breath with pranayam and tratak and all the other kriyas that I teach in my workshops, then you connect to your Pranamaya Kosh, and you can control your breath, you can work with your breath. After that comes the realm of mantra, Manomaya Kosh, the realm of pure mind. And then comes Bhairav's realm, Vijnanamaya Kosh. And then after Vijnanamaya Kosh comes Anandamaya Kosh, the amalgamation, the Maithun of Shiva Shakti on Sahasrara Chakra. And that is when you truly understand the meaning of the Panchamakaras. That is the Madhya. Madhya is not alcohol. The Soma that drops from your cranium all the way to your third eye and awakens the Kundalini, that is the real Soma. And give to yourself this opportunity to, if not learn the whole puja vidhi, get a puja for yourself and just do the mantra and watch the miracles happen.